Hi, in this video tutorial you will learn how to add policies to footer on Shopify. These policies, like privacy policy, refund policy, and terms of service, are essential for building trust with your customers and ensuring legal compliance. So, let's get started. The first step is to log into your Shopify admin panel. If you're not already logged in, please do so now. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Note, before add privacy policies in footer, make sure you have created a privacy page. To add policies to your footer, click on Online Store in the left-hand sidebar. Next, click on Themes. In the Themes section, you'll see your current theme displayed. Click on the Customize button next to your active theme. This will open the Shopify theme editor, where you can make changes to your store's design. In the theme editor, look for an option that allows you to edit the footer. It might be labeled differently depending on your theme. Common labels include footer or footer settings. Once you find it, click on it to proceed. Click on Add Content or a similar option to add a new content block. In the content block, add a text block and labeled it such as the privacy policy, refund policy, and terms of service. After that, click the link icon. Click the link box and form the drop-down menu, choose Pages, and select your privacy policy page. You can also check the box Open this link in New tab. Once you're done, click the Insert button at the bottom right of screen. Then click the Save button to save your changes. Before making the changes live on your store, it's a good practice to preview them. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tutorials.